let's talk about cleaning out your closet. So I've just cleaned out my dresser and closet, and this took me about 7 minutes to pull all of this stuff out. And I'm going to tell you why I pulled this stuff out, and hopefully this will help you clean out your closet as well. So I of course had to organize my pile. Well, I guess it just made it seem like it would be easier to explain why I was getting rid of things. First, this is a classic wrap dress. However, it's never going to go to style, but it is in gray. Why did I think gray would look good? It does not look good on me. So it needs to go. Somebody else can love it. All right, this pile. I am a very tall woman. I guess it's for the pants. These like barely hit my ankle. These shrunk over time, and really they are so worn out. Like, look at this nonsense. The seam, I mean, seriously, it was just like I was embarrassing myself with some of this stuff. All right, this pair, same thing. They're and these are skinny pants, and they're just too short. Like, these have shrunk over time, whatever, and they need to go. I'm tired of looking like I have short high waters on all the time. It's ridiculous. Okay, these shorts, I got a set of the 3 of these because I got one in every color, because why wouldn't you? They're skirts. However, my chubby legs, this still rides up, and the whole skirt rides up, and you can hear, it's like, do you hear that noisy fabric? Not a good thing. Avoid noisy fabrics. So never look good on me, never feel good on me. They have to go. All right, this next set, these are tried and true t-shirts, as you can see by the pit stains. So look for pit stains. This one is also should receive a special highlight, because look, we got holes. It's not even a small hole. I mean, I can't believe I was wearing that. The other thing is, make sure you go through your closet with the lights on, because look how faded this shirt is. Again, with the pit stains, and that's like permanently in there. That one's kind of weird. I don't know what kind of deodorant I was wearing. Anyway, totally faded out. Same with this. Again, pit stains, but look how bad that blue looks. Like, if you're doing this in the dark, you're not going to be able to tell. Don't do it. Okay, again, white. Look at this. Disgusting. Just same with the pit stains, because apparently I'm a sweaty woman. Same with this. It's really cute, but it's been left. Okay, these shorts. This stupid zipper will not stay up. So if you have clothing like this where it's just like it's done, like, yes, I could replace these. These don't actually even fit anymore, so they need to be gone. Next category, clothes that you got for a specific purpose. Now, this is a really cute t-shirt, because I made a Princess Leia t-shirt for when my son had a birthday party. Do you know how many years ago this was? He's now 16. I think he was turning 6 or 7, or maybe even 8, if I'm going to be really gracious. 8 years. The style of the t-shirt is like a skinny style, and I don't know why the arms are so much longer than everything else, but it fits weird, doesn't feel comfortable. As much as I love Princess Leia, it needs to go. This shirt, I love it, but I've had it forever and I'm done with. So don't be afraid to get rid of things. All right, let's move on to this pile. Now, these are shirts that I just think are out of style or are not going to be comfortable. Because sometimes, clothes last for a long time. If you buy something that isn't like, made of cheap quality. But the problem is styles move on. Like, this is way too busy for me. I would never wear anything like that. This, coming from a woman who has a crazy bedspread, yes, I know. All right, this always captures static, and it always balloons up, and it just looks ridiculous. So if the material is not behaving the way you want it to, let it go. This super cute shirt, however, I don't even think I've ever worn this, because it requires a little bit too much maintenance. See how the ruffle kind of flips up? Yeah, so I decided to let that puppy go. Seeing this now, this makes me sad, because this was a tried and true cardigan, but like, do you see how wrinkly? It's kind of hard to see laying down. Let me hold it up so you can see it. Oh, it's still gonna be hard to see. Anyway, I guess you get the idea. Maybe you'll have to take my word for it. Super wrinkly. It's gonna require ironing. I'm not interested in ironing anymore. All right, these pants, nothing wrong with them. Absolutely nothing wrong with them. But they are wide-legged and they're kind of a business pant that I really have no use for. So part of this is just being realistic about where you are in life. I think when I bought these, I was still going into court. Still had my attorney's license, so, but I don't anymore. I just, and I'm not, it's too dressy and too uncomfortable for like something for church, and it's not appropriate for a wedding. I just don't know when I'd wear them. Gotta go. All right, this next category of pants. Now these I did wear. I think I wore these, but like again, listen to the fabric. Like they rubbed together and made noise when my chubby little legs would walk. Again, go. This skirt, nothing wrong with it, but like I've just decided this isn't me anymore. So it's time to go. This shirt, I love this shirt. I've worn this shirt forever, but see how like this is not exactly in style with the pleatedness and all this. I think I was watching Desperate Housewives and from forever ago, and this shirt was being worn by an actress. So bye-bye. I love this shirt, but do you see how it's kind of faded? Like that's not the light, it is the fading. And it's kind of not my style because this is kind of boho-y, or could go boho-y, and that's just not me anymore. And this dress, oh my gosh. I don't even think I've ever worn this, but I think it looks like a tablecloth. So my tastes have changed, my styles have changed. This needs to go. All right, the last category. There is nothing wrong with pretty much anything in this whole stack, except for all of these, I feel like absolute crap in them. I feel like dumpy and not good. So again, nothing wrong with these, even though they have a little bit of pit stainage, because apparently I'm gross like that. But yeah, this is a cute sweater, but it is way too long and is not flattering at all, and I refuse to wear it out in public, so I should just let go of it, right? And these last two, like athleisure cardigans, this one hits me at the wrong place. Again, this is really hard to do on camera. It's too short, and it hits me at the wrong place and makes me look super chubs. So we're gonna let that go. And this one, oh my God, I've had forever, and it just looks super sad, and it's just like a sack of fabric. See how wrinkled that is? It's just, the fabric is done. So take this as some inspiration to when you're going through your clothing, of like different reasons why you might want to get rid of things, and then you'll be one step closer to an organized closet.